Your YouTube videos are getting low views. You are not alone. I am experiencing it too, and I want to explain why.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I noticed that even though I am uploading, my views are not like before. At first, I felt discouraged and confused.
Are you okay?
YouTube test our videos first. If people don't click or don't watch long, YouTube stop pushing our videos. Sometimes our title or thumbnails are not just strong enough.
I'm shocked, honestly. I'm shocked, honestly.
If viewers leave early, YouTube think that the video is not interesting. Posting inconsistently can also affect low view. And also, when you are close to monetization, YouTube becomes strictly, like become so strict on your channel, like your videos, they check in and out, like, they are just, YouTube is just, you understand.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
Instead of quitting, this is what I did. And I started improving my title, my thumbnail, and how I start my videos. I am always saying consistent and focusing on original content.
Yeehaw!
Views don't mean your channel is not actually doing well. Low views does not mean your channel is bad. No, it's part of the journey, the growth, the preparation towards what is ahead. If you are going through this, don't ever give up. All right, keep on pushing, because there is future ahead. There is big thing ahead. Don't quit posting on YouTube because of low view, or because it discourage you and you feel like giving up. Most of the big content creators here on YouTube we are watching now were once like us. Please don't ever give up. All right, take one step at a time. If you used to upload videos every single day just because you are consistent and you are producing quantity, not quality, it can make YouTube not to be pushing your videos out. YouTube require quality content, like maybe a video you film 31 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, than 5 minutes video, 4 minutes video, 6 minute video. YouTube find it somehow, you understand, but we all think that just to keep our viewers engaged, we have to film short videos, but it's not actually like that. All right, take your time, don't rush, breathe, and focus. Think towards your next upload. Let your thumbnail be in charge. Let your thumbnail make someone want to click. Let your title speak for your channel. Also, try and be engaging with upcoming content creator here on YouTube, so that most of them can come to you to also engage. Don't ever give up. Many people were like this before. Wherever stage you are now is a blessing, not a curse. All right, if this video motivates you, if this video help you, share your experience in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video, and also comment as well. I love you guys. I will come your way again in my real life experience video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye.